Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to make a Google as a default search engine on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can open Chrome browser on your device. And then here you can click on three dots at the top right corner. After that, please click Settings menu. And then here you can select this option. Okay, and then to make Google as a default search engine, you can activate it like this. Okay, and then the default search engine on your device is successfully switched to Google. Well, that's the tutorial on how to make Google as a default search engine on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.